everybody, welcome back to my channel. As I'm doing all this month of July, I want to start this video letting you know that from August 1st on, my channel is changing name, and all the images, intro, outro, and Facebook, Instagram, thanks to my daughter who's doing all that. And this is the new name and image that you're going to see from then on. So, I am participating in a new challenge, and that's what I'm doing today in this video. This challenge is the Nailed It or Failed It challenge. It's hosted by Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Roast. I love both their channels, that's why I'm participating in the challenge they host together. So what I'm going to tell you, that they are awesome. But please don't trust me. Go and check those channels by yourself. You won't be disappointed, believe me. And also visit the playlist. All the links are going to be in the description box below. This challenge is about finding an item that you would like to have, but that is really pricey and it's not worth spending that amount of money, and that you can recreate for less. In this case, I found this letter in Etsy website. I love it. I love it. But $56.50, even with free shipping? No way. So, I didn't have an H, but I had a B. And I'm trying to recreate, oh my god, I have paint in my hands, this letter and make something like that one. This letter was absolutely white. So what I did was dry brush it with gray. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you it as quickly as possible. You just prepare a little bit of paint in the color of your choice. Just a bit. You can always prepare more later. And you have to use the worst paintbrush you have in your home. So you prepare the color, and then you take just a little bit of that color, the less possible, and then you start going over the letter with some touches, the letter or the surface you are dry brushing, sorry. And as you can see, you get immediately that distressed effect that we are going for. Easier? Impossible. So sorry. That's what I did with the front and all the sides of the letter, and that's what I have right now. As you can see, this is a very quick and very easy DIY and will save you a lot of money. Now what I have to do is to add some cotton balls and lamb ears. I am using what I have at hand because I'm not going out. I live in Florida, so if you watch the news, you know the numbers. And I live in Miami, which is even worse. And so, I didn't have 3 cotton balls that were exactly the same. These 2 are more Christmassy, and this doesn't have the glitter. I really don't mind. Maybe in the future I will change these 2 or this one. Sorry, I paint. So I've already glued them together, so I'm going to add them here. I made this bow using the famous Dollar Tree burlap ribbon, and I'm going to use it like it's shown here. This is a very easy bow to make. You take a long piece of the ribbon. You can make it in two parts. I made it just in one part. You fold it once, then you fold it like this twice, and then you just press the middle, and then you cut another piece for the tails. This is a piece I have around. It's not the one that I'm going to use, of course, but it's just to show you. And you place it here, not here, not behind, below the two pieces, so you get the tails. And then I used a piece of this thinner ribbon that I bought on internet on eBay from China, very inexpensive, sorry, to tie everything together, and you get this bow. I think the tails are too long if I want this letter to stay standing, but first I'm going to glue the 3 cotton balls and the lamp ears that are from Walmart. So I'm going to add some hot glue here and there. And let me see. I want the shape of the bee to be seen. I don't want to cover it all with the decor. So this is what I'm going to do. It needs a little bit of glue here. Let's press it. This is glued, this is glued, this is glued. Just a drop here for this one. Let's keep it in place. Anyways, now I'm going to add the ribbon, and that will help. So stay there. Okay, now I'm going to add the ribbon. In this case it is oriented in this way. I'm going to use it this way, not to cover the letter B completely. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, I think that's enough. And let's see, let's press it a little bit more, like so. Okay, and the piece is almost finished. Well, it needs more time to dry. I'm going to look for my scissors to cut the tails a little bit. I see them there, so just give me a second and I'll be back. So I'm going to cut these tails. Let's do it right. Like here. And Okay, so now I can use the letter B standing. Yay! It worked! So, this is all what you have to do to save yourself a lot of money, because I got this letter at the thrift store. I paid like, I think 50 cents for it. The lamp beers are from Walmart. I already had them. I already have everything, but let's say that I paid for them when I bought them. $1 for 2 stems, so this is kind of 50 cents. I don't remember how much I paid for the cotton balls, but let's say another $1. So 50 is $1. $2 and less than $1 for all of this. But anyways, it's $4 if you want to count to add the paint and the glue gun, the hot glue, against $56.50. Was it worthy? I think so. So now I need you to tell me if I nailed it or failed it. That's the premise of this challenge. I think I nailed it, but if you think different, just let me know. And if you think I nailed it, also let me know. That would make me very happy. Anyways, I think it's a very, very nice DIY that you can recreate and you don't have to spend so much money. Hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. There are a lot of challenges coming up, so I will try to list them in my community tab, and I hope you will visit and watch those videos too. Thank you to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. I hope you will visit their channels and the playlist and all the videos and leave some love and support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.